How lovely it's been with not that much rain. It's alright at the minute, but plants definitely need watering. The only downside not having the rain is my water butt is completely empty. But the reason I'm doing this video, just saying, this is my favourite part of the garden, is doing the watering. And look at that, Echinacea that's coming back. I didn't know if that would start growing there. It's doing up quite well. But something's digging up the bulbs over there. Still got to pot these. I might be able to do these actually. Need a bit more soil in them. These are really coming on. Look at all them. Is that where the beans are, is it? These are broad beans. I've never grown them before, so I don't know what happens with them. A bit of black on there, which isn't good. But yeah. Didn't realise I have the little flowers coming on there. Looks nice. Yeah, that's the water barn. It's completely empty. Can't remember if I said before, but that garden beside ours, this is the end of someone's garden here. That's a walnut tree. And November time, we reached as many walnuts as we could get. I literally just used the last of them. The last couple of days I made a walnut cake. Yeah, walnut. Oh God. A walnut and date cake. It's really quite nice. So I've used the last of the walnuts now. Right, let's have a look in here. I don't know what's going on in here. Don't think I've got a water in it because it stays quite moist, doesn't it? In the greenhouse. Oh no, some of it does need watering. They're coming on. Going to cut some of the lettuce off, I think. Wow, look at these. I can't get over how big these are growing. We're due to have our windows replaced in the next couple of weeks. And once I have, these can be planted in the front garden. And I need to plant... I don't know if I've left it too late for these. I've run out of soil. So, alright, let's give these a bit of a water. The chilies aren't even doing anything. Maybe I keep watering too much, I'm not sure. But the mint's starting to come through. In fact, this has come through really a lot more than what it was. These aren't. Nothing's happening with them. I've got to try not to keep watering them. But this is coming through a lot more than it was. Bit there. Move that over. Yeah, what's your favourite part of the garden? I love watering. I find it very relaxing. Sorry, showing you a picture of the slab. Oh no, is that a spider? Ooh. I don't know. That there that I'm spraying is a peony, so that's growing really well there, isn't it? Considering it's not got that much soil in there, that's coming on. Need to really get some more soil and chop up these beds. Look at that one. And that one, these are going to be quite big ones. Sad thing is, I've never grown tulips before, and I've literally just chucked them in the ground because I didn't know what to do with them. I'll know more next year.